Hello everyone, I'm Mint. Today the topic for Peak in this video is Peak Payroll. Peak created this feature to help the Human Resource Department can cooperate easily and efficiently with the accounting department in payroll management and other staff related such as staff personal information and accounting record for payroll transaction. Please go to the Application Center and choose the feature Peak Payroll. For who is the first time to use Peak Payroll, you can learn and follow the steps displayed on Learning Progress. In this part, I will summarize those steps for you before going towards the steps in detail. Firstly, go to Settings. Second, add more information about your company such as department and position. Third, add the employee list. Next, add addition and deduction item for payroll, such as allowance or if your company doesn't have those items. You can skip this part and go to final step of making the payroll payment. Now, let's see more in detail of the above step. Go to Settings menu. You will see our setting topics on the left-hand side. If any information is already recorded in Peak account, the system will automatically retrieve that information and show it in Peak Payroll. For new information, it requires you to complete them in their sections. The first setting is Organization setting, which is about 13-digit tax ID, name and address of the company. Second, logo and stamp. If you already upload this information in Peak account, it will automatically show the item in this part. If not, let me show you how to upload them in Peak account. Please get back to Peak account page, then go to Settings menu and select Organization setting. Choose Logo and Stamp section and click Edit. Then you can click Add Logo and Stamp and click Save. After that, let's go to Peak Payroll. Once again in Logo and Stamp section of the Settings menu. Now, you will see your company logo and stamp. Next, in the section of Social Security, if your company already registered to Social Security, please click Edit, then choose Register specific Social Security ID. Choose Head Office or Branch, specific Social Security Fund contribution rate of employer and employee and click Save. In the part of Organization Bank Account, click Edit and select which bank account you choose for making the payroll payment. This will affect the accounting entry. The entry will credit the select bank account. Next, choose the payroll payment date by clicking to drop down the date list and select the payment date, then click Save. The last setting is accounting record. Please specify the contact of payroll and Social Security for Peak Payroll. When you order to record the accounting transaction for payroll, this will automatically record in Peak account. First, click Edit, then specify payroll and Social Security contact by creating the contact in Peak account. So, please go to Peak account, then click Add New Contact, and since the payroll is private information, we recommend you to create the dummy account and after filling in or require information, then click Add. Let's go back to Peak Payroll in the Accounting Record section and click Edit. Now, you can choose the payroll and Social Security contact that you privately create in Peak account, then click Save. Also, you can keep track of your work progress of Peak Payroll by clicking below Settings step to show that you have already completed this step. Go to Department menu. You will see that we already provided the default department, and if there are some departments no need to be used. You can click to close it in column in use. And if you want to add more department, you can place add department for those who use Peak for the first time. We recommend you to choose the level of all functions and features to be advanced. So, it is better to show how much and which kind of information that you can input into Peak. After that, you will see a pop-up to fill in the information of the new department. So please fill in the department name in Thai and English and click Add Department. Next, you need to add positions which relate to each department by clicking that department. You will see the default positions which are manager and officer, and if you want to add more positions, you just click Add Position, then fill in the position name in Thai and English, and click Add Position. Now you can take a look that we already had all the position but not any number of employees under each position. Thus, let's get to another step, and also you can keep track of your work progress in this step by clicking below and department or position step. Go to Employee menu. There are two buttons which are Add New Employee and Import Employee buttons. For Add New Employee, it means that you create your employee one by one. For Import Employee, you can import employee list into Peak by using Peak Excel format. Next is Export Report button that is exporting the Excel file on your staff list in Peak. For today, I will show you how to add employee in Peak one by one. Please add New Employee button, then select Add Once. The first part is personal information. You can upload the image of your employees. Fill in their names in Thai and English, and fill in Thai citizen 13 digits ID number for Thai staff and passport number for expat staff. Next, you can also upload a copy of identification card for records, then select their department. Contact type that include monthly and daily type, and position. For contact information, please fill in email, mobile number, emergency contact and number also, address and start date information. You can choose the start date of working and upload the work agreement. Next, it is salary information. You can fill in default salary amount. Will automatically retrieve this salary amount when making the payroll payment. However, you can modify the amount as well. For adjust salary to account code, you can select the account code for recording the accounting entries. However, if you don't choose the account code, Peak will automatically record as the account code of payroll expense. If the employee registered in Social Security, please check the mark in the box of registered Social Security. For withholding tax, if you check the mark in the box of withholding tax, Peak will default Pongador 1 according to the type of payroll income. For withholding tax deducted, if you already calculate the amount outside the program, you can fill it in the box of default withholding tax amount. This amount will be the default tax amount deducted when calculating the payroll. However, when calculating the payroll, you can choose whether you still want to use this amount or want Peak to help you to recalculate the tax amount deducted. Next, payment channel information gives you to fill in which channel this employee receives salaries such as bank, PromptPay or cash. If you choose bank, please fill in all necessary information about the employee bank. Don't forget to recheck all information, then click Add new employee. If you want to import the file of the employee list, please press Import Employee, then you will see a pop-up and click Download From. After completing all information filled in, you can import the file into Peak. As before, you can keep track of your work progress in this step by clicking below at Employee step. After you already set up all necessary information for payroll payment, you can go to step of making the payroll payment. For next time, you just do only the payment process or the last step since all information is set up in Peak Payroll at the first time. For payment process, please click Salary menu or go to Salary menu and select Salary Parent and click Create Salary Parent. After that, you will see the table that summarizes how many times that the company already paid the payroll payment. Then, click Create Salary Parent. Parent code will be automatically run by the system. You can specify issue date and due date. For the payroll period, the system will automatically default. For employee receive this salary, you can click to add the employee name and add more role as well. There are two ways to create a salary parent. At the first time, you can add the employee name who will receive the salary for this month one by one, and for the next time, you can copy the transaction and no need to recreate that information and change only the payroll period and revenue and deduct item if there are any changes. Second, Peak support you to import the Excel file for salary parent. After that, don't forget to recheck all information in the column withholding tax if you already fill in the tax amount for that employee. It will be automatically shown. However, if you want to Peak to recalculate the tax amount, you can click the rotate symbol. There will be a pop-up, then the calculate tax amount is in the sky color bar. If you want to use the amount suggested by Peak, please click Close. After checking all information, please click Approve. In case that HR use Peak Payroll with the accounting department, HR should go to the tab Payment. You will see three buttons that will operate to automatically record the accounting entry in Peak account. The first button is Record Accrue for the expense not paid in its period. It will be recorded as an accrue expense in this period and it will be paid in the next period. For example, December salary will be paid in the next years. After you place Confirm, click EXP number, then click Journal number. You will see the accounting entry that Peak record. The expense account includes account payable of employee. However, if you don't want to record the accrued salary in the account of account payable, you can modify it by going to Setting menu in Peak Payroll, then selecting Accounting Record. You will see the name of payroll contact. Next, go to Contact menu in Peak Account and choose the payroll contact name and press Edit button. There will be a pop-up information of that contact. Then, select Account Record Setting and change the charge of account in the box. Payable recorded as to be 212301 accrued salary and press Select. Next, go to Peak Payroll again. Choose Salary menu, go to tab Payment. Please Options and choose Void, then press Delete to confirm Void Parent. After that, go to the tab Void and select the transaction void. Press Options and choose Copy so it will help you not to key in that information again. Then, please approve. Next, go to tab Payment. Place Record Accrue button and place Confirm again. Click EXP number, then click Journal number. Now, you will see that the charge of liability account changed from account payable of employee to accrued salary. Next, in case the expense will be paid in its period, you can place paid salary. There will be a pop-up showing the payment date and channel, then place Confirm. Then click Journal number with its PV. You will see the accounting entry that Peak records the expense account, including the finance channel for payroll payment. The final bottle is paid SSO. If you already paid the amount to Social Security, please place Paid SSO, then place Confirm. After that, there will be EXP number, that is document record, and PV number. That is journal number for Paid SSO. Clicking journal number, you will see the accounting entry that Peak record, the Social Security Fund expense, including the finance channel for Social Security Fund payment. In addition, in Peak Payroll, you can download bank payment file, which you can import to bank website or application for making payroll payment to your employee. Also, your accountant is not required to prepare the Social Security report because you can download Social Security file that all information is properly reported, so submit to Social Security Office. Last but not least, we provide you with payroll slip for your employees. Please go to the tab Detail and go to Employee Receive this salary section. Then you will see the employee name and click Slip. There will be a pop-up payroll slip and you can place export for printing. Or if you want to send their slip to all employees at the same time, just please email. Then, Peak will show the employee list with their email and place Confirm. Your employee will receive the email of their payroll slip when access password to their slip as well. The most important thing is don't forget to recheck employee email before sending. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comment below. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye bye!
Friend of Business peakaccount.com